Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Showgrounds. Yes, I'm here at Showgrounds. And I'll be filming some trains here for you guys. We have a Fremantle service departing platform number 2, I believe. Front 2 cars, EMB 22. Rear 2 cars is EMB 45. This is Showgrounds. Showgrounds has 3 platforms. That's platform 3. That serves train services, to the city. They only stop at the city. Platform 2 is train services to Fremantle, and platform 1 is train services to the city. What a weird configuration of the station. Platform 3 is next to platform 1. On platform 1 we have a Perth service. Yes, I'm currently standing on platform 3. Leading half is EMU 19. The train should be departing very shortly. The Perth service is now departing platform number 1. As I said, leading half is EMU 19. Front 3 cars was EMU 19, and the rear 3 cars was EMU 33. Now arriving onto platform 2, we have a Fremantle service. This train's on the FS stopping pattern. Front 2 cars is EMU 5. The front 2 cars is EMU 5 and the rear 2 cars is EMU 37. EMUs 5 and 37 now leaving platform 2 for a Fremantle service. As I said, front 2 cars is EMU 5, rear 2 cars is EMU 35. With water dripping down one of its carriages. Did you see the water dripping down the second or third carriage? That was very interesting. And also on platform 1, there is a Mind the Gap sign. Wonder why it's not on platform 2. We have a B Series EMU passing through platform 2. EMU 94 is the set. Thank you. Unexpected. That was pretty fast. Just some proof of the old configuration of the station. Platform 2 station sign, platform 1 and platform 3 right there. Now arriving on platform 1 we have a Perth service. Leading half is EMU 32. The front 3 cars is EMU 32 and the rear 3 cars is EMU 34. EMUs 32 and 34 now departing platform number 1 for a Perth service. Train will stop all stations to Subiaco, then West Leederville, Douglas, then Perth, and then we'll stop all stations to Midland. Now arriving on the platform, we're now approaching platform 2. We have a Fremantle service. Train's arriving. Front 2 cars is EMU 30. Front 2 cars is EMU 30 and the rear 2 cars is EMU 15. EMUs 30 and 15 departing platform number 2 for a Fremantle service. platforms. A big drop. We have a Fremantle. Perth service on platform 1. EMU 45 is leading. The front 2 cars is EMU 45 and the rear 2 cars is EMU 22. EMUs 45 and 22 leaving platform 1 for a Perth service. The train's next stop will be Lock Street. One more train to go. Arriving on platform number 2, we have a Fremantle service. Front 2 cars, EMU 39. EMU 39 is the front 2 cars. Fremantle service leaving platform number 2. Front 2 cars is the EMU 39 and the rear 2 cars is the EMU 16. Hope you guys enjoyed the Showgrounds video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. See ya!